Hey everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Job Saving Series. This is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Right now, let's get started with the first opening. And today we have for the freshers, so stay tuned and I'll tell you a lot of things. Right, so let's start with the internship. But this is unpaid internship. Make sure to do accordingly. They are hiring for cybersecurity analyst, which is a 3 month of internship. The other requirement, VAPT, and all those things they are looking for. Who can apply, student and all those people. What you will gain all those things, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Accordingly they will get, you'll get a response. Now next one is someone is hiring a freshers, okay, in Nagpur, which is on site junior pen testing role, 0 to 1 years of experience required, and this is what they have. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and this is the contact number, right? And this is what you can see. If you're looking for any training competency program, which means you'll get a training and then you will get experience, then you'll get something to learn and you'll get industry exposure. You can check out both the URLs and you'll get a lot of things as well, right? This is one of the best thing you can have in your life, right? Now next opening is someone is looking for pen tester, remote, minimum 2 years of experience required. Exact solution is the company name, and this is what you can see, minimum 2 years of experience in Bob suit, all those knowledge required. You can pause this video and see what they're looking for. Now next one is 5 years of experience required, which is a senior consultant, cybersecurity consultant role. It's Navi Mumbai, and VAPT source code review, application security, API security, network security, cloud security, architecture review, IoT. They want all in one banda. They want a person who should have knowledge about all the VAPT, right? And cybersecurity certifications is required. Anyone is mandated CISSP, CRISC, CISA, right? And this is what you can see, and this is mail ID on which you can send you. Guys, just let me know if you got selected. See, because I want to see how much they are going to pay you, right, for all those. Now next opening is L3 network lead assistant administration, 5 to 10 years of experience required. This is what you can see. Who can apply, right? This is mail ID on which you can send your profile, right? Now next opening is red team intern on site, 8 April 2026 is the date. You will see all the thing. They are looking for intern. This is what you can drop your resume on, right? Now next opening is basically they are hiring for SOC Analyst, minimum 2 years of experience required, and this is the where you can apply your uh, mail ID, right, on which you can send your resume. Next opening is basically in Chennai, L1, 1 to 3 years of experience, 3 to 6 years of experience required, 0 to 1, 15 days of notice period. L1, L2, L3, L1, L2 is opening. The other skills, IBM QRadar certification is what you can see here, and this is how you can join, right? 24/7 SOC, which is a rotating shift, which means if you're working from 9 to 6, then someone will be there who is going to work 9 to 2 a.m. and someone is from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. This is what rotating shift means, right? Now the next opening is nothing. You can join SOC program agar if you want to learn, if you want to earn, if you want to get a job and all those things. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.